Hey everyone, I'm Howard Pinsky, and in today's video, we're going to take a look at how the UI Faces plugin can bring a smile to your Adobe XD designs. On this project, there are a few areas that I'd love to populate with friendly faces. First up, the profile photo at the top. In addition to dragging in an image that I may have on my computer, I can also take advantage of the UI Faces plugin. With an object like this ellipse selected, the plugin will reveal various sources to pull images from, where you can select the ones you want to use, or keep them all unchecked to sample from all sources. Filters are also available if you're very particular about the faces that are surfaced. Like with the sources, you can check on any of these options to narrow down your results, or keep them all unchecked to keep things nice and random. Once you've gone through and set all the available options, you can apply the faces randomly or select the photos you wish to use. This will pull in faces from the various sources you selected a moment ago, and narrow them down based on any filters you may have set. Since I only have one shape selected here, I'll choose a face and press apply. Of course, this plugin also works with multiple shapes as well. On this element, I'm using a repeat grid, and I'd like to bring in a few more friendly faces. Selecting any of the shapes within the grid, I can go through the plugin one more time. Let's try out This Person Does Not Exist. And whether I apply the faces randomly or select them manually, all the results are completely computer generated, so I don't need to worry about mistakenly using someone's face in my projects. I'll go ahead and select a few of these faces and apply them to the design. There are also a few advanced options available, including the ability to sort the results by most popular, apply a face to only the selected shape within a repeat grid, and the option to convert all images to black and white. And that's a look at the UI Faces plugin for Adobe XD. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you all soon.